LINDAL's Mini Engine Platform offers a smart and flexible way to improve packaging sustainability and get new actuator designs to market quickly. It's a technology that separates the actuator into two elements: an outer body made of 100% PCR, post-consumer recycled plastic, and an internal element, the mini engine, producing optimum spray performance. The body is adaptable for diameters ranging from 35 to 65 mm, and it can be customized too, making it effective across a vast range of product applications. Development time and costs are both significantly reduced with the Mini Engine Platform, because only body tooling equipment and customization of an existing assembly line are required to integrate it. The platform also allows for immediate product stability and spray performance testing, because unlike standard processes, once the mini engine is validated, there is no need for repeat testing. The Mini Engine Platform. Sustainable, flexible, smart.